Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, I did change a little bit of the fibs. I took some of them off. I moved some of them. So I'm using the high of about April 24 of 2018 to March 13th low. So if you're new to the channel, that's how I'm getting this fibs right now. I am also using fib extensions. Those fib extensions help me throughout this whole shebang, basically, when we had that SEC suing the Ripple Labs. So I'm using what? November 24, 2020 to November 26 to December 1st. So that's how I'm coming up with this fib extensions right here. I was actually surprised that we didn't hit the 161% extension. We got pretty close to the 16-cent mark. I actually thought that we were gonna go past that because the fact that this pair is getting delisted from the exchanges, it's scary. Let me just put it this way, very scary. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always say, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world how to make some shackles in the market. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, I actually don't know where this pair is going. So if it wasn't because we had this whole drawback of them getting sued and now getting taking it off of some of the exchanges, or it looks like all of them at this rate, I'm pretty confident that this pair will be past the buck now, because alts are starting to rally. We held this 44-cent mark very nicely, and then we had this boom. So this would be over $1, so probably $1.20 by now. If it wasn't because it's getting sued, they're getting sued. So I am a little concerned. We are holding below a 200-day moving average. The moving averages are starting to get closer to each other, so they'll get clumped up. But then, in a couple of weeks, a lot of the exchanges are gonna remove XRP from them, and then how is it gonna be being traded at? So for normal people like myself and you guys, RSI, I mean, definitely it's looking bullish, but the thing that I'm concerned is, what if all of a sudden they just shut Ripple down completely? That I don't know, but it trips me out. As a matter of fact, my long-term position that I was sitting on for 2 years or something like that, that I bought at 20 cents a while back, I literally just moved it out of Ripple, and I broke even, so I didn't make any shackles on that. The short term, I did made a little bit in this rally. I believe I got out at about 65 cents or so. So I made a little bit of shackles in the short term, but long term, the big one, I didn't make any shackles, which is disappointing, but hey, that's how it is. The market, you win some, you lose some. So let's keep that in mind. Let's look at the weekly chart really quick, guys, and see. By the way, guys, if you guys requested, we deliver. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, that's definitely where you need to be. We created a light version, which is technical analysis. We also created a pro version, which is technical analysis plus every time I go in and out of position, you guys will get notified, and then you guys will have me in the chat. And so anything you guys need, I'll definitely be there for you for anything. So go and check it out, Easy Crypto Pro. I'll put it down in the description below. Go and check out my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca, and Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, Easy Crypto Pro. So in the weekly chart, I mean, we are creating just a spinning top. I mean, the week just started, so we have a long ways to go. But this is just a spinning top as it sits, so that just means indecision. We are below the 20-day moving average. I mean, I wouldn't do anything right now when it comes to Ripple. I'm just concerned that if they take it off all the exchanges, and then how I'm going to get rid of it if I need to sell it, and I'm just very concerned about this pair. Once that whole problems get cleared out, you know, this will probably rally and rally really hard. Like I said, if it wasn't because of this, I would have no doubt that Ripple will be a $1.20. I mean, at peak, this was what, 328 or so, 329 at peak. So this had a lot of potential. Now it does not have very much potential, at least as of right now. I'm just concerned getting the whole shebang getting shut down, and then you being stuck with, you know, thousands of dollars worth of nothing, and then getting burned. So I like to, even though I like to do risky stuff, that one it's a little too risky for me. So I just kind of want to hang tight. Let's just see. If I draw, let's just draw some other fibs from this low to this high. I mean, we still have a long ways to go. Let's just change, no, extension. Let's change this extension from here, put it there, and we'll put it here. Alright, so that's what people are paying attention. That's what we're holding above 21 cents or so. So, man, I typically would say I would get bullish once we go above the 200-day moving average. And this 23% retracement with the bigger swing. But man, I'm just kind of concerned. If I was going to play this, I would put a very small position, stop loss, you know, right below 20 cents or so. Very tight, very small, and just kind of played it. I'm just concerned that they're going to come with the Security Exchange Commission is going to say something and boom, drop the price again. Kind of like Enron back in, you know, whatever, 2001 or whatever it was, that or Lehman Brothers. So I'm just kind of concerned. And typically I don't pay attention to the news when it comes to crypto, but man, this one had a big impact, you know, and especially since the reason why I like Ripple was because the banks liked it. But now I'm sure the banks are like, hey, we need to be considering our position with Ripple. So right now I wouldn't do anything. And if we break the 21 cent using the fib extension from November 24, 2020 to what? December 16 to December 17 of 2020. If we break below this 21 cent, we're probably going down to 10 cents. So just keep that in mind. Be very careful if you're trading this. There's better stuff out there, so I would just stay away for now. So with being said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.